Show everyone how you sit up like a big girl. Are you sitting up like a big girl? Yes? You're so smart. Are you going to blow bubbles too while you're at it? Charlotte. Charlotte. You don't need to watch TV. Oh, good bubbles. Yeah. You're so smart. Say hi. Hi. Are you looking at the camera? Why don't you sit back up? Be a tall girl. Hi. Lovely. Good job. Oh, that was a big bubble. What are you doing? What's going on? What are you doing? Are you going to say goodbye to everyone? Say bye-bye. I'll take that as a goodbye. Say bye.